In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and manage Wix.com. We'll move from a simple Google search all the way into the Wix editor, and I'll point out what to look for so you feel confident at each step. First, open your browser and head to Google. Type Wix into the search bar and look for the official Wix result. Clicking through will take you to Wix's platform. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your account. Use a modern, up-to-date browser for the smoothest experience. And if something looks off, a quick refresh or clearing cached tabs can help. Once you're in, select the site you want to work on if you manage more than one. From your Wix dashboard, find the option labeled Design Site. It typically appears prominently when you're getting started or customizing a site's look. Clicking it will launch the Wix editor for the selected website. Give it a moment to load. Heavier sites with lots of media may take a bit longer. When the editor opens, you're in a live design environment where you can change layouts, colors, and content. Keep an eye on autosave indicators and consider saving regularly as a best practice while you work. Inside the Wix editor, look to the left-hand toolbar for the plus icon, labeled Add. Click it to open the full library of elements you can place on your page. This panel is the heart of your site-building toolkit. You'll see categories for text, images, galleries, buttons, and more. Whenever you need a new piece of content, this is where you'll come back. Within that Add panel, choose Slider, Image and Video. Clicking this category opens a curated collection of sliders that rotate through multiple images or videos. Sliders are great for showcasing portfolios, highlighting featured products, or creating an eye-catching hero section. You'll notice options that vary in layout, navigation style, and media handling, from minimalist image carousels to bolder video-forward designs. As you browse, keep a few tips in mind. Aim for consistent aspect ratios across your slides so transitions look smooth, compress images to balance quality and speed, and be mindful with video. Short, muted clips often work best for backgrounds. For accessibility and search discoverability, plan to add descriptive text and clear headings near your slider so visitors and search engines understand what they're seeing. Also consider how it will appear on mobile. Simple navigation dots and clear arrows tend to be easiest for thumbs. That's the full path. Search for Wix on Google, open your site's dashboard and choose Design Site. Click the Add button in the editor, and then open Slider, Image and Video. With these pieces in place, you're set up to explore designs and elevate your page visually with confidence.